This is CodeCombat. I'm currently working on Game Development 1, the JavaScript version of the course. I'm on level 7, crushing it. Goals. Spawn a hero, add a goal to defeat the ogres. Spawn at least 3 more munchkins. So we need to add a goal to fight the ogres, spawn 3 munchkins, and of course win the game. Practice making a simple ogre fighting game. Remember, 1, add a hero for the player to control. That's probably important. 2, add a goal to defeat the ogres. 3, spawn some munchkins. Alrighty. So, and comments are for us. They give us tips. The computer skips over that part of the code. When it runs, it ignores it. Spawn a code that / is the comment. Okay, so we want to spawn the player, which would make sense. There we are. Captain, sure. Add a goal to defeat the ogres. And now remember, these are the arguments, right? This is captain spawns a captain. And we can spawn other player types too, right? So captain, maybe they haven't given us all the others yet. But we could spawn captain, we can spawn a knight, so on and so forth. And then this is the XY coordinates. All right. Add a goal to defeat the ogres. So I'm just going to start typing add, and here we are. So I'll click on that. Defeat goal. Now, who do we need to defeat? I forget how this one works. So add a defeat goal. And this is the amount. Well, if they want all, if there is no argument, so no number in here, that means everyone. So we'll just leave that empty. Now, spawn at least 3 more munchkins. Okay, spawn XY munchkin, and then spawn XY munchkin, and then I'll move them around in a sec. Spawn XY munchkin, okay, and then maybe I'll have it at I don't want it that close to me, so 36, 56, and 66. Okay. And so now they're all, we can move them around some more if I wanted. All right, let's go ahead. The trick to this one is making sure you spawn at least 3 more, right? They don't want to have 3. They want you to have at least 3 more munchkins. Let's keep going. So 4 munchkins total, or 5, or 10. Onward.